If you're thinking about buying Vermix Pulse Pro, you should watch this video first because the marketing makes some very bold promises that deserve a closer look. Vermix Pulse Pro claims to permanently eliminate roaches, mice, ants, spiders, mosquitoes, bed bugs, and many other household pests using ultrasonic technology, without chemicals, traps, or expensive exterminators. While that sounds impressive, the available evidence raises several important questions. One of the biggest concerns is that there is very little independent scientific proof showing that ultrasonic devices can permanently eliminate every type of pest in real-world home environments. Some research suggests ultrasonic sounds may temporarily affect certain pests, but there is no strong evidence that they completely solve serious infestations or prevent pests from returning. Another issue is the product's marketing, which features impressive media logos and authority claims that are difficult to verify, along with customer testimonials that many people believe appear AI-generated or lack independent confirmation. The advertising also promotes extremely fast and dramatic results, but actual customer experiences reported online appear to be mixed rather than consistently successful. Many buyers have also noticed that Vermix Pulse Pro looks nearly identical to inexpensive ultrasonic pest repellers sold under different brand names, raising concerns that it may simply be a rebranded product sold at a much higher price. Some customers have also reported frustration with refund requests, return policies, and aggressive limited-time discounts designed to create urgency before buyers have time to research the product carefully. Claims that the device is completely safe for all pets should also be treated with caution, since certain animals, especially small pets like hamsters or guinea pigs, may react differently to ultrasonic frequencies. Overall, Vermix Pulse Pro presents itself as an easy solution to a frustrating problem, but the evidence behind many of its biggest claims remains limited. Before spending your money, it's worth comparing independent reviews, reading verified customer experiences, and keeping realistic expectations about what ultrasonic pest control devices can actually achieve.